This is CAIE A-Level Maths, Summer 2020, Paper 1, Variant 1, question number 3. In this question, it is given that the selling price of a diamond necklace increased by 5% from the previous year. So we know that it is an increase of 5% from the year before, and the selling price of the necklace in year 2000 is $36,000. You have to write down an expression of the necklace n years later and find the selling price in 2008. We know that in the year 2000 the selling price was $36,000. In the year 2001 it will be a 5% increase of the previous year's selling price, which was $36,000. So we can write this down as 105 upon 100 times 36,000, which will give us 37,800. Using the same logic, we can know that in the year 2002 the selling price will be 39,690. Now we can apply looking at the question, we can see that since it is a percentage increment, this must be a geometric progression and not an arithmetic progression. To verify this, we can use these three selling prices that we have found to find the R. If we use the first 2 years selling price, then we will have to write it as 37,800 upon 36,000, and this gives us R equals to 1.05. To verify this, we can also use the selling price from the year 2000. From the year 2000, this will give us 39,690, and upon 37,800, which is next upon previous. This is the formula, and this will also give us R equals to 1.05. Hence confirm that this is in fact a geometric progression. So we have to first write down an expression. For the expression, we can write down that the term number n will be equals to the first term, which is $36,000 times R, which is 1.05, and n minus 1, and this gives us our expression. Now we have to find the selling price in the year 2008. So if we look at the question carefully, we can write down the years. We have 2000, 2001, 2002, 2003, 2004, 2005, 2006, 2007, and finally 2008. If we start counting, this is the first year, this is the second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth, seventh, eighth, and ninth year. So please do not make the mistake of writing 8 as your end term. So this will be term number n, which is basically term number 9, equals to 36,000 times 1.05, n minus 1, which is 9 minus 1, which will give us 8, and term number 9 will be equals to $53,188.39. This is the first part, and in the second part of the question, it is given that the company makes the necklace only sells once each year, and we have to find the total amount obtained in a 10-year period, including the year 2000. So this is a straightforward question. We know that the sum of n number of terms will be equals to a into r to the power of n minus 1 and upon r minus 1. We are using this formula because we know that in this equation, in this progression, the r is greater than 1. So we will have to use this formula instead of the other one. So the sum of the first n terms will be equals to 36,000 into 1.05 to the power of 10 minus 1 upon 1.05 minus 1, and sum of the first n terms will be equals to 45,2804.13.